Today is 14th of September 2024. I want to speak about the deadliest diseases of the human race, that is cancer. Prevent cancer. Okay? So there are many causes of cancer, and I'll tell you how to prevent them. Okay? The most important is genetic. See, cancer runs in families. So most important is, in this type of patients, early detection is important. Detection in the stage 1 of cancer is important. So that is why you have to go for annual checkups. In the next video, I'll tell you about the annual checkups and prevention and early detection of cancer. Okay? The first point is genetic. So cancer is more common and runs in families. Okay? And try to avoid some things. For example, in some states, in some communities, they marry sister's daughter. Example, I'm telling you, not to be angry at all. Sister's daughter. Sister has got the same genes of you, like you, and you are marrying her daughter. You may love your sister more than your mother, more than your brother, but that doesn't mean that you should marry her sister, her daughter, because children think about the children. Okay? Think about the children. So genes in close families, in close communities. So marry and distant relatives, not close relatives, and relatives of blood relations. Okay, that's how you can avoid to some extent a genetic problem. Second important is smoking and alcohol. Okay? The worst is smoking. Avoid smoking in life at all. Alcohol in moderation is less dangerous, but too much of alcohol every day can lead to too much of problems. So avoid smoking totally and avoid alcohol if possible, or at least try to control. The third important is diet. Okay? Respect your, don't take too much of fatty diet. Don't take too much of spicy foods. Don't take too much of proteins also, Proteins means, for example, you are taking non-vegetarian food both in the morning, in the night, for 20, 30 years, it could lead to cancers. Okay? And more oily foods, more fat foods, more spicy foods, more very hot foods, stored foods, for example, pickle, they store for years and it could be a problem. Do not use pickle that is stored for more than 3-4 months. In some states they use pickle which is stored for years. Okay? No pickles, no very hot food, no too much of spicy food. Okay? Because you have to respect the GIT. It will respect you. Okay? Too much of hot food, too much of spicy food can lead to a lot of problems. Okay? Next is obesity. You're too much obese, you're bound to get cancer. Yes. Fat, too much of fat in the body is not at all good. So be active in life. How to avoid this obesity is most important. Be active. Never sit. That is why I never take my videos in sitting position. I never sit. I'm a medical superintendent. I go on taking rounds, being active, hyperactive, and all these things. If you sit and sit. Obesity, cancer, everything. Okay, be active in life. And other important factor is infections. Okay, There are some infections like HPV, hepatitis B, and all these things can lead to cancer. So vaccinate them. Ask your doctor whether there is any vaccines to prevent cancers. Okay? So take all these preventions. So you can be free from cancer. Life is very important. And the most important point in cancer is early detection, stage 1. Stage 1 and stage 1. Best is to avoid. If at all it should be detected in stage 1. Do not believe the hospitals which tell you can cure even stage 4. Last stages, no. Very rarely. There is no cure usually for stage 4 diseases. Only stage 1. And this detection in the stage 1 is possible for yearly checkups. Okay? Have a good doctor friend always, who doesn't charge you much, who always advises you nicely. Okay? Early detection is very, very important. There are simple tests. Yearly go for annual checkup. Perhaps choose your birthday as the day of checkup. Yes! September is my birth date, means month of birth. Yesterday was my birthday, and this month I will get checked always. Though I'm very healthy, and very healthy, but do not compromise. Get yourself checked in the month of your birthday. Okay? In the next video, I'll tell you what tests you should. Simple tests for early detection of cancer. Thank you. Have a good day.